Hi and welcome to this instructional aftercare video brought to you by Hoover. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you the basic maintenance checks required to keep your product working at its best and at its most efficient. Now, it's really important to remember that regular maintenance is essential, and it may be the reason why your vacuum cleaner isn't picking up quite as much dirt or as dust as it used to. So start by emptying the dust container. Firstly, detach the extension tube and then take it over to the bin. You need to press the release catch to allow the unit container flap to swing open and to release the contents inside. Now, we recommend that you don't fill it over 2/3 full. Now, this product comes with the exclusive H-spin core technology, but again, it's really important to maintain it fully and to clean the mesh surrounding. This is done by first removing the dust container by twisting anti-clockwise, then removing the filter by turning the cap at the bottom clockwise, which is the opposite direction as before. Remove the mesh and dust it clean. It's really important to note that you should not wash this part of the vacuum. Then once you've finished cleaning, you need to reassemble the H-spin mesh, and you should look for the D-shaped central spindle and remember to tighten anti-clockwise this time. Next up, I'm going to show you how to clean the exhaust filter. Now, this is a really easy task. It's located at the end of the handle, and you simply squeeze the sides of the cover and you pull it out. The filter looks a little bit like a J-cloth and slides right off. And this part can be washed, but do remember that once you have washed it, you need to allow it to dry fully before reassembling. Now, for best results, we advise that you replace your filter about once a year, and you can find your replacement parts or other consumables needed on our spares website. Finally, we're going to clean the rotating brush. Now, you need to start by disconnecting the head from the extension pole and turn it over. Now, looking from the front, you need to unclip the red catch, and then you need to lift out and remove any threads, hair or any debris that may have got stuck or wrapped around the brush roll. And once you've finished that, simply pop it back in. Now, remember, sometimes replacing the part is just as essential as cleaning, and you can find any of your replacement parts that you may need on our spares website. So I hope that's answered any questions that you may have had about how to maintain your Hoover vacuum cleaner, and that you'll be enjoying a dust-free home in no time.